This is another kit stash update and a mail call. So in my last kit stash, I picked up some large scale monogram bombers. So this should finalize all my large scale bombers. I finally picked up the factory sealed B-52 Stratofortress monogram. I think it's, trying to look for a year. 1968 and 1977. So I guess it's a 1977 release. But check out this price tag. It looks old, but man, $10. So I guess you can build it two ways. The green and brown camo or the metal finish, aluminum finish. But anyway, so I finally finished picking up the last of my large-scale bombers. I know they also make a B-58 Hustler, so don't know if I'm interested in building that Delta Wing bomber, but maybe if they have the B-47 Stratojet, that's an interesting bomber. But anyway, so this is the final one out of the four. I also picked this one up earlier, but I forgot to mention it in some of my videos. It's the Top Gun F-18 1/48 scale. I already built the Tomcat, so the F-14, which is also available for Top Gun. They're also making a 1/48 scale or 1/72 scale, so I was out for the larger 1/48 scale. So I'm used to seeing it in flat military gray, so this blue stripe, I guess, is unique to the movie. So I'm waiting for the movie to come out so I can watch it, and then I'll get motivated and put this one together. But just want to mention that I did pick up the Top Gun. I already put together an old monogram F-14 already. So these two are my latest additions. As far as mail call goes, I just wanted to mention some shop cards that I received. Jeff over at Jeff's Model Garage needs no introduction. He recognizes new talent and always gives out shout outs to support new people in the community. Also is involved with a lot of group builds, so check him out. Also a great model builder, so check out his channel if you haven't done so already. Also wanted to mention Jeff over at Treeline Model Works. Nice, looks like a Fu 65 on the card. He does a lot of group builds as well. I think his recent build was like an egg plane model and some motorcycles. So check out Jeff over at Treeline Model Works. Also wanted to recognize that Jeff, that's a nice, I think 70 Chevelle on your shop card. And also Frank over at Frizzo's Model Cars. He has a shop card, a bio card, and also a sticker. So love promotional stuff. Looks like a Fast and Furious Eclipse on the left and a Grease Lightning, maybe a 1940 Ford on the right. Frank does great model cars. I think his recent build was like a 1970 split bumper Camaro, and most recently the 1970 Dodge Challenger, which is something that's on my list to buy and build as well, because I love that movie Vanishing Point with Kowalski with his 1970 white Challenger RT. I think he had a 440 in that one. Okay, so that concludes my kit stash update and my mail call. So I'll put everyone's channel in the description. Check them out. And those are my two recent additions. Thanks.